Top 5 best wine diabetics can drink. Did you know that you can still enjoy a glass of red wine with diabetes without worrying about spiking your blood sugar? If you're living with diabetes, choosing the right drink is more important than ever. But that doesn't mean you have to give up everything you love. Red wine, when chosen carefully, can actually be a great option for diabetics. In this video, we've carefully researched and curated a list of the top 5 red wines that offer a healthier alternative. These wines have been selected for their lower sugar content, making them much more suitable for individuals managing their diabetes. Whether you're winding down after a long day or celebrating with friends, you don't have to miss out on wine. These top picks are carefully selected to help you maintain a balanced lifestyle while still indulging in a delicious glass of red. But let's be clear, this is not medical advice, just a helpful guide. Always consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet. So let's jump right into it. Here are the top 5 red wines that diabetics can enjoy with peace of mind. 1. Pinot Noir. If you're looking for a red wine that is not only delicious but also diabetic-friendly, Pinot Noir should definitely be on your radar. This popular red wine is known for its light body and delicate flavors, offering a smooth drinking experience that pairs wonderfully with a wide variety of foods. Whether you're enjoying a steak, a cheese platter, or other meats, Pinot Noir is versatile enough to complement them all. But beyond its food pairings, Pinot Noir stands out for its low sugar content, making it one of the best red wines for diabetics to enjoy without worrying about blood sugar spikes. What makes Pinot Noir a top choice for those managing diabetes is its naturally low sugar levels. Compared to many other red wines, Pinot Noir generally contains less sugar, which is key for keeping blood glucose levels stable. Lower sugar means fewer spikes in your blood sugar, making it a safer option for diabetics who want to indulge in a glass of wine without compromising their health. But that's not all. Pinot Noir has another impressive feature. It's packed with resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant found in grapes and many other plants. Resveratrol has been linked to several health benefits, including improved heart health and better insulin sensitivity. For people with diabetes, maintaining insulin sensitivity is crucial, and Pinot Noir can play a part in supporting that. Pinot Noir grapes are believed to be one of the oldest known varieties, and they're grown in several top wine-producing regions around the world, including Burgundy in France, Oregon and California in the United States, New Zealand, and South Australia. The unique terroirs in these regions give Pinot Noir wines their distinct flavors. Some wines might be fruit-forward and light, while others could have earthy, spicy notes, making it a wine that can appeal to a wide range of palates. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, Firesteed Pinot Noir 2019 is a great choice, offering great value without compromising on quality. For those willing to spend a little more, the Windstream 2022 Pinot Noir delivers a fuller, richer flavor that's perfect for more special occasions. Both wines maintain the low sugar profile and health benefits that make Pinot Noir a standout in the diabetic-friendly wine category. Pinot Noir isn't just a wine, it's an experience. Its elegance and complexity make it a wine that you can enjoy casually or serve at a celebration. For diabetics, it's a reliable choice that allows you to enjoy a glass of wine while still taking care of your health. So the next time you're looking to unwind with a glass of wine, reach for a bottle of Pinot Noir and know that you're making a healthier choice that supports your well-being. 2. Cabernet Sauvignon. If you're a wine lover managing diabetes, you might think that your favorite bold reds are off-limits. But that's not the case. Cabernet Sauvignon, one of the most robust and full-bodied red wines, can be enjoyed by diabetics in moderation if you choose the right bottle. Known for its rich flavors of blackcurrant, blackberry, and cedar, Cabernet Sauvignon is a popular wine that can complement hearty meals, but it's also an excellent choice for those looking to keep their blood sugar levels in check. The key is to prioritize lower sugar options that won't cause your glucose levels to spike. What makes Cabernet Sauvignon a good wine choice for diabetics is its natural characteristics, which result in a lower sugar content compared to many other wines. For starters, Cabernet Sauvignon grapes have thicker skins than other grape varieties. These thicker skins are packed with phenolic compounds, such as tannins, that not only contribute to the wine's complex mouthfeel, but also help to reduce the overall sugar content in the juice. Since these compounds are more concentrated in the skins, less sugar gets extracted during the winemaking process, which leads to a wine with a naturally lower sugar profile. Another reason Cabernet Sauvignon is a great diabetic-friendly option is its longer fermentation process. During fermentation, yeast converts sugars into alcohol, and the longer this process goes on, the more sugars are consumed. Cabernet Sauvignon wines often undergo extended fermentation, allowing for a greater reduction in residual sugar. This extended fermentation also contributes to the wine's deep, intense flavors, adding complexity without increasing sweetness. Additionally, many Cabernet Sauvignon wines are aged in oak barrels, which infuse them with flavors of vanilla, spice, and toastiness. This aging process not only enhances the wine's richness and depth, but also helps balance out any residual sweetness. These oak-derived flavors provide a satisfying sensory experience that makes the wine taste fuller and sweeter, even though it's naturally lower in sugar. For diabetics, this is crucial because it means you can enjoy a flavorful, complex wine without worrying about a big spike in your blood sugar levels. While it's still important to drink wine in moderation, Cabernet Sauvignon offers a perfect balance of boldness and lower sugar content that makes it a great choice for those managing diabetes. So when you're selecting a bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon, look for options that emphasize these natural winemaking characteristics. Choose wines with a focus on longer fermentation and oak aging, as these factors tend to result in lower residual sugar levels. If you're looking for a perfect pairing, a glass of Cabernet Sauvignon goes wonderfully with steaks, grilled meats, and even cheeses, offering a rich, satisfying experience that can still fit into a diabetic-friendly lifestyle. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life. Also, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. 3. Merlot. Merlot is one of the most beloved red wines around, known for its smooth, velvety texture and rich, fruity flavors like ripe plums and blackberries. It's an incredibly versatile wine that can pair well with everything from pasta and chicken to grilled vegetables and even a good cheese board. But if you're living with diabetes, you might be wondering whether you can still enjoy this popular red without worrying about your blood sugar levels. The good news is, Merlot can be enjoyed in moderation by diabetics, especially when you choose wines that are lower in sugar. Merlot wines naturally have lower sugar content compared to many other red wines, which makes them a great option for people with diabetes. One of the reasons for this is that Merlot grapes tend to ripen earlier than other grape varieties. When grapes ripen early, they tend to have lower sugar levels at harvest time, which means the wine made from them also contains less sugar. This characteristic makes Merlot a better choice for diabetics who want to manage their blood sugar levels without missing out on the delicious, fruity flavors that Merlot offers. Additionally, Merlot wines from regions like Columbia Valley are well known for their balanced flavors and lower sugar profiles. These wines offer the classic Merlot taste you love, with a touch of sweetness that's not overwhelming, making them a diabetic-friendly option. They're a perfect choice if you want to indulge in a glass of wine without feeling guilty or worrying about the impact on your glucose levels. But how does it all work? When it comes to the winemaking process, Merlot is known for having a moderate alcohol content, which also helps regulate its sugar levels. Alcohol in wine helps to convert some of the sugars into alcohol during fermentation. So wines with a higher alcohol content, like Merlot, tend to have lower residual sugar levels. The result is a wine that feels rich and satisfying without overwhelming sweetness. The beauty of Merlot lies in its balance. While some wines may be overly sweet or dry, Merlot strikes that perfect middle ground. The tannins in Merlot, while present, are softer than in wines like Cabernet Sauvignon, and this smoothness gives it a texture that's easy to enjoy, even for those who may not typically like the bolder wines. Whether you're sipping it with dinner or relaxing after a long day, Merlot offers a delightful experience without causing a spike in your blood sugar. Merlot's versatility also makes it a great wine to keep in your collection. It's easy to enjoy on its own or pair with a variety of dishes, and because it's less likely to spike your blood sugar, it's a wine that can be part of a balanced lifestyle. Look for bottles from well-known regions like Columbia Valley, which are known for offering good value while still maintaining lower sugar content. 4. Syrah Shiraz. If you're a fan of bold, full-bodied wines, Syrah or Shiraz might just be the perfect choice for you, especially if you're managing diabetes. Known for its deep, rich flavors of blackberry, black pepper, and spices, Syrah offers a taste experience like no other. But can diabetics enjoy this intense red without worrying about sugar spikes? Absolutely. When chosen carefully, Syrah Shiraz wines can be diabetic-friendly due to their lower sugar content and dry style, making them an excellent choice for those managing blood sugar levels. One of the key reasons Syrah wines are a good option for diabetics is because of the way the grapes grow. Syrah grapes thrive in warm climates, like the Rhone Valley in France, Australia's Barossa Valley, and parts of California. These areas allow the grapes to fully ripen, ensuring that they accumulate deep flavors without the risk of accumulating excessive sugars. This is important because it means the resulting wine is naturally lower in sugar, making it easier for diabetics to enjoy without causing a blood sugar spike. But what makes Syrah even more appealing is its dry style. Many Syrah Shiraz wines are made in a dry style, which means they contain very little residual sugar. The dry nature of these wines is achieved through fermentation and aging techniques that preserve the natural characteristics of the grape without adding extra sweetness. During fermentation, sugars are converted into alcohol, and when wine is aged, the process helps to further reduce residual sugar levels. This results in a wine that is bold and complex, yet not overly sweet, which is perfect for people with diabetes. Syrah wines also boast a complex flavor profile that gives them a richness and depth that makes each sip memorable. Along with dark fruit flavors like blackberry and plum, Syrah is known for its peppery notes and savory elements such as smoked meat or herbs. This combination of fruit, spice, and earthiness provides a full-bodied experience that can be enjoyed without needing the addition of sugar. The bold flavors of Syrah give you a satisfying wine experience without overpowering sweetness, making it an ideal choice for diabetics who want something more than a simple, sugary drink. Another benefit of Syrah wines is their versatility. Whether you're pairing them with grilled meats, spicy dishes, or even cheeses, Syrah's complex flavors complement a wide range of foods. This makes it a great wine to enjoy with dinner or on special occasions without compromising your diabetes management. Plus, the dryness of the wine means you can sip and savor it without worrying about hidden sugars sneaking in. 5. Tempranillo. If you're a fan of red wines with balanced flavors and a smooth finish, Tempranillo is a fantastic option for you, especially if you're managing diabetes. Tempranillo, a red wine varietal most commonly associated with Spain, offers a medium to full-bodied wine that's packed with flavors of red fruit, spice, and vanilla. But what makes Tempranillo an ideal wine for diabetics? The key is its moderate sugar content and its dry style, which help keep blood sugar levels stable while still offering a satisfying wine experience. Tempranillo grapes are typically harvested at optimal ripeness, which means they tend to have moderate sugar levels. This is important for diabetics because it reduces the chances of a sugar spike when you enjoy a glass of wine. Furthermore, many Tempranillo wines undergo fermentation to dryness, meaning the natural sugars in the grapes are mostly converted into alcohol during fermentation. This results in a wine with minimal residual sugar, making it a much healthier option compared to sweeter varieties. What makes Tempranillo especially appealing for diabetics is its balance of acidity and tannins. The wine's natural acidity helps to offset any sweetness, while its tannin structure adds body and complexity to the wine. This combination of acidity and tannins creates a well-rounded, flavorful wine that doesn't rely on added sugars to enhance its taste. Tempranillo delivers a satisfying experience without overwhelming sweetness, making it easier for diabetics to enjoy. Tempranillo is known for its savory profile, with notes of red fruit, spice, and earthy undertones. This wine often showcases flavors like cherries, raspberries, and strawberries, complemented by hints of pepper, leather, and tobacco. These flavors combine in a rich, layered experience that provides depth and complexity, all without the need for excessive sweetness. For diabetics, this means you can savor the wine's bold taste while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. One of the best things about Tempranillo is its versatility. It pairs well with a variety of dishes, from grilled meats to hearty stews and even Mediterranean cuisine. Whether you're having a cozy dinner at home or enjoying a meal with friends, Tempranillo is a great wine to have on hand. Its balanced flavor profile complements a wide range of foods, making it a perfect choice for anyone who wants to indulge in a glass of wine without worrying about blood sugar levels. So there you have it, the top 5 best wines for diabetics that can help you enjoy a glass without worrying about your blood sugar levels. From the light and delicate Pinot Noir to the bold and complex Syrah, each of these wines offers a unique flavor experience while keeping sugar content in check. And let's not forget about the smooth and balanced Merlot, the full-bodied Cabernet Sauvignon, and the savory Tempranillo, each bringing something special to the table for any wine lover with diabetes. Remember, the key to enjoying wine with diabetes is moderation and choosing wines that are dry, low in sugar, and full of rich, complex flavors. Whether you're looking for a wine to pair with dinner or just unwind with after a long day, these 5 options are a great place to start. Have you tried any of these wines before? Or maybe you have some personal favorites you'd like to share with us? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips on managing diabetes, and check out the videos in the description for even more amazing content on living well with diabetes. Cheers to your health. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.